Hey there, welcome to Mike's Workbench here in St. Michael's Forge, and I'm Mike Gentry, and we are ready for heat treating. All right, so we've got 4 knives. Whoops, there we go. 4, count them 4. Wow. Ready for the Gentry Custom Knives Challenge. I got them all ground. I've done all the work on them. What we're gonna be doing here is, there we go, it's turned on. We are gonna be firing up the kiln. So we need to bring it up to temp. First, we're gonna normalize the blades. Then we'll put the blades here into the vermiculite that I have awaiting it. Once I've done that, we're gonna go ahead and then we will heat treat them. We'll quench them in the Parks 50, and then we'll finish them off with tempering. But first, we need to fire it up. So here we go. Again, this is the beauty. Now, if I wasn't filming with my phone, I could use my phone, but I have the Even Heat LB18. I've set up all my schedules. So if I click on start here, all the different schedules that I've set up for that are here, including normalized. So I'm just gonna quick tap. It highlights it in red. I've shown some videos on that. Then I'm gonna click start. And I don't want to delay my start. We're gonna say go ahead. And now it's gonna fire up. When it hits 500 degrees, it's then gonna let me know. So in the meantime, I'm gonna quick mix up some no scale, because I want the no scale. I got these where I want them. So we're gonna get that done, and then as soon as that fires off, we'll hit that and plop those in. All right, so we're gonna open that bad boy up. We are gonna put, whoops, come on there we go. These all into here. There goes one, and straighten one. Got that. We're gonna put that one in here as well. And, oh well, it's a little crooked. All right, so the blades are in. Let's go ahead and close up our oven. And it's just gonna go through its cycle. And there we go. All right, so just again to show you, the oven reached its 550. You know, it fluctuates for a bit here. And then it's gonna hold that for the 2 minutes, and then it'll go ahead and arc right on back up. It lost a little bit because I just closed it, but that's how it works. So we'll go ahead and we're gonna let these cook, and they'll be in there for quite a bit. All right. Some gloves. I was getting a little toasty from my hand, so let's go ahead. And here's number 3. And finally, number 4. So you can tell the difference. The Damascus blades are a lot thinner, 1095's thicker. They're gonna cool down, and then that is it. All right, so they're cooling down. That's it for the normalizing of the blades. They'll be in that for a bit. And then next we'll be doing our heat treating, where we're gonna go ahead and harden and quench, temper, and then we'll be done and ready to clean these up and mount them up with some handles. So with that, I got some other work I'm working out with my daughter. This is Mike Gentry here in St. Michael's Forge. Bidding you have a great day. Take care, and as always, ciao.